Welcome to our French curl braids tutorial. Today, we'll be using French curls extensions ordered from Amazon. The link of the hair would be in the video description. The products used to achieve this look are rat tail comb, hair cream, hair clips, hair mousse, and nail glue. The French curls extension is very silky and can tangle easily if not handled with care or properly maintained, as it is a synthetic hair. In order to prep this extension for braiding, it's advised that a generous amount of hair mousse is applied to the extension before separating them into bits. The hair mousse helps to avoid tangling of the French curls extension while prepping. For this French curls style, we'll use a technique similar to the pick and drop method. To begin, we section the hair into 3 using your index finger and thumb. You add the extension to each divided section of the natural hair and braid. Braiding from the root of the hair, ensure that you tuck the natural hair properly into the middle of the extension. Hiding away the natural hair, continue braiding until you get to a desired length for the braided portion before leaving out the curly end. Once we've reached the desired length, we tie a knot to secure the braid by taking a little piece of our extension. We take it round the braided strand and put the piece of extension between the tied hair, forming a knot. We repeat the process about 3 to 4 times to tightly secure the ends of the braided portion. We then add nail glue on the knot to seal the braid. We use nail glue because it is clear and doesn't leave stains, ensuring a neat finish. This creates a beautiful blend of tight braids and loose curls, giving the hairstyle a unique and elegant look. The goal is to ensure that you create a neat box pattern, with every parting you want the hair, when raised to showcase the neat box braids. Repeating the step, ensure to part ear to ear. Apply hair cream on the parted section and clean out the part. Next, part a section depending on your desired size of braids. Using your index finger and thumb, add the extension to each divided section of the natural hair and braid. Braiding from the root of the hair, ensure that you tuck the natural hair properly into the middle of the extension. Hiding away the natural hair, continue braiding until you get to a desired length for the braided portion before leaving out the curly ends. Take 2 to 3 strands of the loose curls and tie about 3 to 4 times. After making the knot, seal the knots by adding nail glue. Now watch closely as I show you how to neatly tuck the natural hair in the braid. The trick of having a flawless French curls braids is tucking the natural hair in the braid . Ensure it is secure and hidden away between the braids, making a seamless knots at the end and sealing the knots. Now watch closely as I complete this strand. Notice how the braid transitions smoothly into the loose curls. We are almost done and the braids are coming together beautifully. For the finishing touches, lightly mist the braids with hot water to relax them and eliminate stiffness. Unlike dipping in hot water, this method helps maintain the integrity of the French curls. Follow up with mousse to add definition and hold to the curls ensuring they stay in place and look their best. See how the mousse adds a final touch of shine and polish to the braids. And here is the finished look. Our French curls, braids, styled to perfection, this hairstyle is sure to turn heads and make a statement. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a video on the knotless option. Until next time, happy braiding. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.